Hi, this is Shaness Dice, and this is for CIS 321 Emerging Information Technology. Alright, I will be doing my PowerPoint over smart health technology. Um, Smart health technology is everywhere. As you know, it's growing daily. We see it in the doctor offices, we see it in our day-to-day lives, but smart health technology is growing daily. And also, smart health technology, what smart health technology is, it is health service systems that uses technology to record, store, or deliver health information. So a couple examples of healthcare, smart healthcare technology is Zoom, wearables, and portals. As you know now, the virus is going on, so a lot of doctor offices are going to Zoom to see their patients, so the patients won't have to come in the office. The wearables are the smart watches, the health devices, and the portals are the portals that allow patients to be able to look at their vitals, their diagnosis. These are becoming more popular through an app now, through your doctor's offices. So what I was interested in was smart health technology. I like the Apple Watches. That's what I'll be going over today. And that's the Apple Watch in the back. The history of Apple Watch. Tim Cook introduced us to the first version of the Apple Watch wearables. The Apple Watch is the #1 best-selling watch. It updates every year. The first Apple Watch didn't have a series number. And so Series 1 and 2 was released in 2016. Series 3 was released in 2017. Series 4 was released in 2018. Series 5 was released in 2019. That's like an old watch, one of the older Apple Watches. The benefits of the Apple Watches, the Apple Watches have so many benefits. They can detect falls and call for help. So if you have like an older person or a person that is disabled that falls, they can get an Apple Watch, and if they fall, it'll call for help. It'll detect your heart rate. People use this for exercising. You can make telephone calls, you can check messages, and you can stream music. So they have a lot of benefits. You also can get locations and compass and UPS, or the GPS, sorry. All right, and how has it affected my life? So I got this picture, got to know my Fitbit steps, because that's how I meet my exercise goals daily. I try to get a certain number of steps, like 5,000 steps. So it has made my health more healthier because I'm trying to meet my goals. So I'm always exercising. I'm trying to stay fit, and I monitor my blood pressure on my watch as well. So I love my Apple Watch. I check my messages when I'm at work. I do everything. I also can answer the phone, like, so if I'm at work and I'm not by my phone, I can answer the phone. So one of the things that happened I thought was interesting with this Apple Watch, Dr. Wesley had sued Apple because he was rewarded because he had contacted Apple about his invention, and he called it the Pioneer Steps, which was an artificial fibrillation detection that monitors your irregular pulse rhythms. And Apple actually refused to negotiate in good faith. So Wesley sued them for using his idea without permission, and he won. So before this, it could have been called Pioneering Steps. I thought that was cool. The newest Apple Watch is the Apple 5 series, and I actually think that just came out. It has an S5 processor. Your screen is always on display, which I would like, because I used to have a Fitbit and it would stay on and off, and I would have to click the side of it. So with the Apple 5 series, it stays on. It has a fall detection to call 911. It has a built-in compass. You can get it in a 40 millimeter or 44 millimeter. And you can also, and it comes in aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium colors. So the colors are really cool too. So there's all kinds of different smartwatches. Apple is not the only wearable technology. Like I said, you have your Fitbit, you have your Pedal, you have your media watches, and right here are the different kind of smartwatches that you can have. So Apple's not the only one. If you decide you don't like Apple, you can get other kinds. I did Fitbit before the Apple, and I did not. I liked the Apple better than the Fitbit, but I did like my Fitbit. So the pros and cons of wearable health technology. The pros about it is you're able to monitor your fitness levels. You're able to check your location. You can check messages quickly. The watch is portable. Like I said, you can stream music. You can answer the phone. The phone is very convenient if you're walking around your house and washing clothes and stuff, and your phone's upstairs. You can answer your phone on your hand, so you have to go find your phone. So it has a lot of benefits. The cons that people say is it has a short battery life, and you have to remove the watch to wear it. But that's with all smart health technology wearables. And then also some wearables have been reported to measure data inaccurately. So with technology, there's always going to be a flaw with it. So I always think that I think it's pretty accurate. I know all of them are not going to be accurate, but I trust my Fitbit and my Apple Watch. If it says I walked 1,000 steps, I believe it. All right, and then a couple of fun facts that I saw that was interesting. So the cheapest Apple Watch is $349. Apple Watches are very, very expensive, but I think they're worth your money. The smallest Apple Watch is a 38 millimeter sport model. On full, an Apple Watch battery should last up to 18 hours. Another fun fact is the Apple Watch needs an iPhone to connect to the internet. So if you do not have an iPhone, you cannot use an Apple Watch. And the latest version that the Apple Watch will connect to is an iPhone 5. And it has to be running on iOS 8.2 software. Smart healthcare technology can improve patient care, so it really actually does. So with the Apple Watch, it allows you to have access allows you to access data about your blood levels, your heartbeat, your pulse via simple sensors. So if you like, I have headaches sometimes when my blood pressure is high. So when I do, I check my blood pressure on my Apple Watch and I can tell what it is. And this data is stored, and if I needed to, I can go tell my doctor. Like my blood pressure was 120 over 90, and she can tell me where to go from there. So I think that smart health technology definitely is improving patient health care. It's helping the doctors get more data to see what's going on. So I think health technology is definitely growing and is very important. So, a couple of health gadgets is one of them is a home remote exam kit. This allows you to conduct a basic kit at home, and it has a digital camera. I would like to do the digital home remote exam because I sometimes feel uncomfortable at a doctor's office. So this gadget allows you to do an exam within your home, and you just send it off to your doctors. So that's another health gadget. Another one is a smart self-cleaning water bottle. This it purifies your drinking water in 60 seconds and it cleans itself every 2 hours. This cup also has a rechargeable battery that lasts up to 1 or 2 months and can stay cold up to 24 hours. So I love my cups. So if I would be interested in this type of cup, this would be my type of cup. It purifies your drinking water in 60 seconds. So I thought this one was really cool. This is a smart temporal thermometer. It uses 16 sensors that collect around 4,000 temperature readings in 2 seconds. You're able to track your temperature readings for each profile. You can set reminder, take notes, get health advice based on your age, symptom, and fever history. So I would use this actually for my child, because we have a thermometer and it takes like he has to sit still for like 2 or 3 minutes before I can get a reading. I would want this done in 2 seconds. So if this is available, I would probably invest in that because I need a answer quickly, and that's able to give it to you in 2 seconds. So I like that. This one is a fertility tracking bracelet. This this is the first fertility tracking wearable on the market. It uses a female's temperature, her resting pulse rate, her breathing rate, and her breathing rate to detect a woman's fertility window. So if a lady is trying to have a child, this is a good gadget to wear because it monitors all of her um, all of her fertility windows data. And she can also take this data to her doctor, and her doctor can look at it and see what's going on as well. So I think that was a really cool gadget for a female that's trying to have a child. This one is a personal travel humidifier. This allows you, lets you transform any water bottle into a personal humidifier, providing relief from dry air wherever you are. Um, this technology it moistens the air around you so you can breathe better and sleep more comfortably. So with this virus and everything that's going on right now, I think this would be a very cool gadget to take with you so you can purify your air wherever you are, so you don't have to worry about all the germs and all that stuff. So I would take that with me if I needed to. I would like that. Okay, so I learned about this gadget this weekend. My grandmother actually is the one that showed me about this. This is a glucose reader, and this actually allows instead of sticking someone all the time with the needle, this is a reader. So this patch fits on an arm, and this machine reads it. And this allows you to give and it tracks the data as well. So it provides easy read graphs. It's touch screen. And if you like your screen dark, you can have your screen dark. It stores 90 days of glucose data, and provides a complete glucose picture over 3 months. So I like it. So it with this freestyle with the app, it comes with the app. You must also have the app to monitor the glucose monitoring system, as the app does not provide one. So you always have to make sure all your data are recorded on it. But that is a glucose thing. So I thought that was interesting. Um, so let's just talk about the future of healthcare, which is coming up. We have a little bit of one of them, a feature of a upcoming invention of the smart health technology is the ultra fast scan. This allows you. They say the CT scanner allows you to take a picture of a person's heart in 60 minutes, 60 beats per minute. Um, so and it allows you also to see a specific area of the heart that you could not see before. So this scanner is fast and it captures specific areas of the heart. You also have your digital therapy, which is going on now. I work at a mental health care facility, and we're doing digital therapy through Zoom. Because of the virus. So I think when situations like this happens, it gives us more to be able to use our technology more. So I've been using Zoom and I like it. Our therapists have been seeing their clients through digital Zoom and they seem to like it too. Sorry about that typo. That's supposed to be a L. But this and then the other one, the wearables is the future of the smart health. The Apple i5 series just came out, so it allows you to do so much more. But we definitely have a bright future in our smart health technology, and I'm proud to be part of that. But I really thank you for listening, and I hope you guys have a good weekend.